In this video, I'm showing you how to get verified on Instagram. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and leave a like. And please do watch this video right until the end so you know all of the steps and factors to go and get your Instagram account verified, as I'm covering them all in this video. So firstly, I'm going to go and show you where to go and start your Instagram verification application. Then I'm going to go and explain the factors which influence that. To go and get to the Instagram verification application is exactly the same on an iOS device or an Android device. So all you want to do is go to the top right where we've got those three bars. Then you want to do is go and click on settings. Then once you're here, you need to go and locate account. It's got sort of a person there. Click account, and then all you need to do is scroll down until you can see request verification. Then we'll click here, and it's going to take a minute to load. And here is all the information, and now I want to go and cover the factors. So that is where you can go and apply to be verified. But to go and be accepted, these are the factors which are going to affect it. So the first thing is your account must represent a real person, a registered business or entity. So this basically means it can't be a fake person, and it needs to be a legitimate person or a legitimate business. The second thing is your account must be the unique presence of the person or a business it represents. Notable entities, for example pets or publications, are also eligible. This basically means it has to be the actual person and it can't be something like a fan account. And the third thing is only one account per person or business may be verified. That basically means only one of my accounts can be verified. If I have like a second account, that can't be verified as well. The fourth thing is your account must be public, have a bio, a profile photo, and at least one post. So basically most accounts will have that, but just make sure you've got a post and that you've filled in your bio and your account is complete essentially. And the fifth factor is your account must represent a well-known, highly searched for person, brand, or entity. So this basically means when you Google your name, you need to be popping up with articles and other factors like that. If you aren't, it's going to be less likely for you to be verified by Instagram. So once you go and match those factors, you then need to go and enter your full name. Choose a document type to prove who you are, so there are a few different options here. And then all you need to do is confirm notability. So you need to go and choose a category, and then you can go and choose an audience, which is optional actually. Here you can also go and link articles, social media accounts, and other links that show your account is in the public interest, which is probably really worth trying to do that because it's going to prove to Instagram that you should be verified. So there we go guys, I hope you did find this guide useful. If you did, please go down below and feel free to subscribe to the channel. Leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.